A legislative friend once said, in introducing a group of us to one of her friends, that Linda was the best person in her. I mean, she was like, Linda's the best person. And Linda is the best person.
Georgia has been incredibly lucky having Linda in this state doing the work that she does, because this state so desperately needs good advocacy.
We have a lot of health care and health challenges in our state that are still here, but I think we would be even farther behind on those issues if not for Linda Lowe's advocacy.
She's just an incredible advocate, incredible health person who knows more information than you can imagine about health care.
Sometimes you know when you talk to someone that you know why they're here on earth. With Linda, you know without a doubt why she's here. And she's here to ensure that that there's equity across the state, if not the country, when it comes to access to health care.
We've always been able to count on Linda to make as great of an effort as possible to do it, to not believe that it is impossible, and then to be very clever in figuring out ways to get something done, even when our fingerprints aren't on it, even when we don't get to take any credit for it. I think that's always a remarkable thing about Linda, is it's always been more important to get something done than to be seen as the one that got it done.
How lucky am I to have been able to work with her so closely over all these years?
We developed a long-standing reporter-source relationship that has endured all these years.
It will take not just an organization, but a whole constellation of organizations to fill Linda's shoes.
It's been a joy working with Linda over the years. I'm going to miss her so much. I'm not going to cry. I'm happy for her that she's retiring, because, my God, she's earned it.
It wasn't a job with her. It wasn't a contract. It was a mission. This was what Linda was born to do, was make a difference in the lives of children and families and communities.
I think Linda's biggest legacy will be Peach Care, and you really cannot overstate her role in the creation and the shaping of Peach Care.
She has worked almost single-handedly to establish a Peach Care program and a child's Medicaid program, so that children in Georgia can get health care coverage. It seems like a no-brainer, but it took Linda Lowe to convince people that that's what we need to do and how we need to invest our money and our time to make sure people have health care coverage.
Linda's impact is embedded in many laws, regulations, practices that within the state of Georgia that make Georgia a better place because of her work. But we also, at Georgians for a Healthy Future, wanted to recognize her impact, particularly on the advocacy community. And that's part of the reason we named the Linda Smith Lowe Health Advocacy Award in her honor.